A once-in-a-generation pandemic brought the world's first mRNA vaccines to the market at warp speed. Millions of lives were saved. Billions of dollars were earned. Now, one of the manufacturers, Moderna, is suing its biggest rival Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech, it says, for copying its invention. The CEO says the lawsuits are aimed at protecting the technology that they pioneered and invested in years before the pandemic began.
They're not asking for any of the money for that Pfizer might have made from the U.S. government. So all of that is neutral because they don't want that money. They're not asking for an injunction to stop anybody, and they're not suing everybody. They're basically suing Pfizer. I think that, in fact, they're probably thinking that if they win this lawsuit, they'll be in a position to license other companies that want to do this.
Researchers are exploring if mRNA technology can fight diseases such as cancer, malaria, and HIV. These lawsuits are an opening shot at who gets to protect its future.
What's at stake is absolutely huge because, what Moderna is trying to do is to form a near monopoly of mRNA technology. That's going to stifle innovation. Not just with COVID vaccines existing, but future generations of COVID vaccines and vaccines for influenza, Ebola, and other kinds of emerging infectious diseases that we need to tackle.
As countries learn to live with a pandemic that once stopped the world, the battle has only just begun over who owns the technology and who keeps the profit. Priyanka, Gupta, Al Jazeera.